Good evening. Welcome back to inthekhud. This is October 26, 2022, 6:45 p.m. What am I saying? 6:50 p.m. Woke up at 6:45 today. At a 12-hour difference or interval, we're documenting things. Woke up at 6:45, took Snowy down. I watched the sculpting course videos. Need to start from the cute creature chapters. Straight up execution. First setting up the drawing tablet, then setting up the layout with references on the side, then making the base mesh. Thinking of completing the cute creature as it is for confidence. Then we'll straight up jump into making characters, then rigging them using cubic worlds fundamentals, then animation, NLA and everything, and boom, we have our animation studio ready. So the thing with the course right now is I feel like I'm confident enough to just, obviously after I make one such follow along creature, just take those references of characters from Pinterest and start making those characters myself in the stylized way I want, and then start rigging them and rigging them with IK and animating them and doing NLAs and all sorts of stuff. So that is one beautiful thing which is happening, and parallelly we're trying to build the geometry nodes fundamentals so that the entirety of the scene can be run through a geometry nodes modifier on a plane, and we don't have to have actual geometry. It's just holographic instances of things, which just makes things a lot more easier on the system because there isn't so much geometry. It makes it easier to change things here and there, like organically have procedural control over things, make n number of variations of what you're making. It's beautiful. With the Blender world, we are very, very nicely poised at geometry nodes for scenes and building those fundamentals up there and sculpting for characters and basically organic things on the other side. Then post that 14:12 at 2:12 I've resumed dad's work, and today primarily the reason I call it just another work day is because there is nothing significant I learned in Excel or in any other software that I have to document. I just did dad's work today. I think I've completed around 30 episodes in totality, but over the past 3 days I spent a lot of time in Microsoft Excel and AutoHotkey trying to get the fundamental, the base correct. Now it is to the point that I can make a 10 episode log, provided there are no serious queries or anything in the episode. I can make a 10 episode log in a matter of, let's say, half an hour or maybe even 20-25 minutes. Obviously you have to get it down as much as possible, but it's pretty efficient from where I'm looking at things. So that is what I've achieved in the past 3 days, and I'm thinking of, for the next 10 days or so, if I can pull off 10 episodes or more, logging every single day within the next 2 weeks, I will have the entire backlog cleared, and then I can start making the newer episodes which are yet to come. So then dad's work will finally come at a level, at a pace, at a neutral position, at an equilibrium. We're just at 3 minutes. Yeah, last of holidays. So tomorrow the three-day holiday is getting over. I think there's nothing else. About the WhatsApp situation, yesterday after I stopped recording, I did install WhatsApp because I was feeling kind of like and turns out that I was right about the fact that there wasn't any like important messages. There were 2-3 Diwali messages, that too from people from office, but nothing there is one big downside to uninstalling WhatsApp though. I'm a part of like 50 or 55, I don't know how many WhatsApp groups which are work related. So once you uninstall and install WhatsApp, you just have those groups unmuted, because the moment somebody adds me to a group, first thing I do is mute notifications on group. So all those 50 or so groups I had to select and mute them, mute notifications. Obviously chats are all gone because backup did not happen properly, which is not that big a deal. I don't really need to look back at my chats anyway. And then your pin chats go, but now it's at a point where it's relatively okay. I'm back kinda. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're under 5 minutes, or hitting 5 minutes constraint. I am again, because unfortunately the gym is shut. I don't know, I feel so Gym will resume tomorrow, so I'm gonna go for a run now, and running with the Sony WH-1000XM4. I got it right for the very first time. Sony WH-1000XM4. Put this headphone on, noise cancellation, put some beautiful, nice, low music, and do a good 5K run, and then come back. That's what the plan is now. Thank you so much for being in the khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.